If you have been buying data at a very high cost rate, that is going to stop after you finish watching this video. In this video, I'm going to share with you 13 code that can use to get it at a very cheap rate from MTN. So if you are using MTN and you have been looking for a way on how to get it at a very cheap rate, then this video is for you. In this video, I'm going to share with you top 13 code that can use to get free data from MTN. If you are using other network, I've also done similar video on how to get it at a very cheap rate from other networks. So after you finish watching this video, you can check the description of this video to watch this other video. If you are coming across my channel for the first time, you are welcome. On this channel, I teach you different methods that you can work from home and make passive income online. If that interests you, make sure you subscribe to this channel and turn on your notification so that anytime I upload videos like this, you will be the first person to get the notification. If you got value from this video, make sure you give this video a thumbs up and also drop your comment in the comment section. So let's dive into the video. The first code to get free data from MTN is *312 *65 *2 *312 *65 *2 So let's dial it and see what we can get with this code. You'll be charged 200 naira for the purchase of 1 GB weekly bundle. So with 200 naira get 1 GB of data, and this will last you for 7 days. So this is a very good option that can use to get data at a very cheap rate from MTN. The number 2 code that can use to get data at a very cheap rate from MTN is *312 *87 #. So let's dial it and see what we can get with this code. You'll be charged 15 naira for the purchase of 200 MB plus 250 MB 14 days plan. So with 15 I can get 450 MB and to last for 14 days. So this is another good option to get it at a very cheap rate from MTN. The number 3 code that can use to get it at a very cheap rate from MTN is *312 *88 #. So let's dial it and see what we can get with this code. You'll be charged 200 naira for the purchase of 1 GB plus 500 MB monthly plan. So with 200 I can get 1.5 GB of data and it will last for 1 month. So this is another good option that I can use to get it at a very cheap rate from MTN. The number 4 code that I can use to get it at a very cheap rate from MTN is *312 *86 *312 *86 So let's dial it and see what we can get with this code. You will be charged 20 naira for the purchase of 75 MB plus 75 MB weekly plan. So with 20 naira get 150 MB and it will last you for 1 week. So this is another good option to get it at a very cheap rate from MTN. The number 5 code that can use to get it at a very cheap rate from MTN is *312 *65 *3 *312 *65 *3 So let's dial it and see what we can get with this code. You'll be charged 1,000 for the purchase of 4 GB monthly data bundle valid for 30 days. So with 1,000 I can get 4 GB of data and it will last you for 1 month. The number 6 code that can use to get it at a very cheap rate from MTN is *312 *2 *312 *2 So let's dial it and see what we can get with this code. Get 200 MB for 15 naira. So with 15 I can get 200 MB. So if you want to get this, you can dial 1. So this data is valid for 14 days. So if you want to activate it, then you dial 1. So this is another good option to get cheap data from MTN. The number 7 code that can use to get it at a very cheap rate from MTN is *312 *100 *312 *100 So let's dial it and see what we can get with this code. You'll be charged 200 naira for the purchase of 1 GB data bundle valid for 30 days. So with 200 naira I can get 1 GB of data and can use it for 1 month. So this is another good option to get it at a very cheap rate from MTN. The number 8 code that can use to get it at a very cheap rate from MTN is *121 #. So that's *121 #. Then you dial 2, which is data for me. So you have 2 options that is available in this offer, but the one that I normally go for is the first option, which is get 1.5 GB for 300 naira. So this is a very good option to get data at a very cheap rate from MTN. So if you want to get the number 1, you dial 1. So this data will last you for 7 days. The number 9 code that I can use to get it at a very cheap rate from MTN is *406 star 3 hash. So let's dial it and see what can get with this code. Enjoy post-night browsing from 11 p.m. to 6 a.m. Fairly used to 2 GB policy applies. So this is for midnight browsing. If you do a lot of work in the night, you can use this code to get it at a very cheap rate. You can use for your night browsing. With 75 you can get 500 MB, which means with 150 you can get 1 GB of data I can use for your browsing. The number 10 code I can use to get it at a very cheap rate from MTN is star 312 star 3 star 4 hash star 312 star 3 star 4 hash. So let's dial it and see what can get with this code. So this code is mostly for TikTok users. So if you used to normally upload videos on TikTok or you go live on TikTok, you can use this code to get it at the very cheap rate I can use for your TikTok. So you have 2 offers that is available in this session, but the one that I prefer is the number 2. So you dial 2 to get that one. So the number 2 you can get with 400 you can get 2.5 GB of data. It will last you for 7 days. The number 11 code that can use to get it at a very cheap rate from MTN is star 344 star 2 star 1 hash. So let's dial it and see what can get with this code. So this code is mostly for selected educational sites. So if you normally visit some selected educational sites, you can use this code to get it at a very cheap rate that can use to do your subscription. So with 15 I can get 300 MB and it will last you for 7 days. So this is another good option to get it at a very cheap rate from MTN. The number 12 code that I can use to get it at a very cheap rate from MTN is star 121 hash. So that's star 121 hash. Then you dial number 4, which is smart data. So you have 4 offers that is available in this session. Some SIM they will give you 2 offers, so depending on the SIM you are using and how you will be using the SIM. So on this my SIM I'm using MTN Pulse. So I have 4 offers. So the first offer is daily offer, then the second offer is 7 days offer, then the third one is 14 days offer, and the last one is 30 days offer. So if you want the daily offer, you dial 1. On the daily offer I have 2 options. The one that I prefer most is the second option, which is 400 naira to get 2.5 GB of data, which means 1 GB of data is less than 200 naira. You are going for this option, so you dial 0 to go back. Then you dial 2 to access the 7 days offer. On the 7 days offer you have 4 options that is available for you, so you can use any of the options to get it at a very cheap rate. Now if you are going for any of the options, you can see that any of these options that you choose, 1 GB of data is less than 200 naira. So let's dial 0 to check the other option. So you dial 3 to check the 14 days offer. On the 14 days offer you still have 2 options that is available for you, so you can also use any of the options. So let's dial 0 to check the last option. So dial 4 to check the 30 days offer. So on the 30 days offer you have 2 options that is available. The first option is 10,000 I can get 53 GB of data, then the last option with 16,000 I can get 110 GB of data. So each of these data will last you for 30 days. So let's say you are going for the last option, which is 16,000 for 110 GB of data. So let's do a little calculation to know how much 1 GB of data will cost you. So 16 divided by 110. So 1 GB of data will cost just 145 naira. So this is a very good option to get it at a very cheap rate from MTN. The number 13 code that can use to get it at a very cheap rate from MTN is star 312 star 312 hash. Then you dial number 4, which is business plan. Then you dial 2 broadband bundle. Then you dial 1 cap plan. Then you have 3 offers that is available for you. You have the monthly plan, the 3-month plan, and the yearly plan. So if you want to access the monthly plan, you dial 1. On the monthly plan you have about 4 offers that is available for you, so you can choose any of the options. So let's dial 0 to go back. To access the 3-month plan, you dial 2. So if you want to do a data plan that will last for 3 months, you can use this option. With 75,000 I can get 450 MB to last for 3 months. So let's do a little calculation to know how much 1 GB of data will cost if you are going for this option. 75 divided by 450. So 1 GB of data will cost 166 naira. So this is a very good option to get cheap data from MTN. So let's check the last option. So the last option is the yearly plan. So to access the yearly plan, you dial 3. So on the yearly plan with 225,000 I can get 1.5 terabytes. So let's do this calculation to know how much 1 GB of data will cost if you are going for this option. 225 divided by 1,500. So 1 GB of data will cost 150 naira. So this is a very good option to get cheap data from MTN, and this one will last you for a whole 1 year. So these are the 13 codes that can use to get it at a very cheap price if you are using MTN. If you got value from this video, make sure you give this video a thumbs up and also drop your comment in the comment section. If you are yet to subscribe to this channel, make sure you subscribe to this channel and turn on your notification so that anytime I upload videos like this, you will be the first person to get the notification. If you want to learn how to get it at a very cheap price from other network, you can check the description of this video, or you can watch the video that is showing next on your screen. So I will see you in my next video.